today I have a Dollar General haul. I typically do not shop at the store, and only because the one that's closest to me hasn't been that great from like previous trips. But you know what I was thinking about with Dollar General? I really truly appreciate that they just don't have false advertisement. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, just picking up a couple off the top of my head. The 99-cent only store. But is it all only 99 cents? And then of course we have my beloved Dollar Tree, where everything's $1. But is it? I have deep-rooted issues. But I'm not gonna dive into those today. But I did go to Dollar General, obviously, and I actually found some really cute finds. And one thing in particular that just blew me away. So I'm very excited to share this haul. Also, comment down below if you are an avid Dollar General shopper and you just know the store inside and out. Definitely let us all know down below like what your thoughts are about it. I don't really know how it works, meaning if I show you these things, will you typically see it across other Dollar Generals as well? Kind of like you do at Dollar Tree. Now with Dollar Tree, we know there's some things that you just might not see across all other stores, but I really don't know how Dollar General works at all. I don't know if me showing you these things will also be in your stores, but if you know, comment down below. All right, so I'm gonna I didn't unravel any of this, so I'm just gonna start grabbing from the bags. But I was shocked to find these adorable moss bunnies, and they were $5 each, which in my mind what I did was I compared it to the price of moss bunnies at a TJ Maxx or a Home Goods. And I thought to myself, okay, I think $5 is actually a steal. So I decided to, really cute, and they're actually holding a little egg, I think, which I don't think I've seen that like at TJ Maxx. So I really love these. I'm definitely gonna go into like a more natural style of Easter decorating, which I'm gonna be starting like in a week or so. So if you're interested in that and you just popped into this video to watch Dollar General haul, I do also decorate on this channel. So there's that. All right, and then I found, okay, that I'm actually gonna make last, so I'm just gonna put this down here. I was shocked to find these gorgeous tumblers. And this probably was just what I think I didn't really expect, but again, I do not shop at the store very often, but this was $12. In my mind, I compared it to a TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and also Amazon. And I think $12 is about what they pretty much go for. So I didn't think that I overspent at all, especially considering the size of this. It's a 32 fluid ounce tumbler. It's insulated, so you can do both cold and hot in here. It's BPA free, and it's got a clear slider lid. It just says great for water, soda, coffee, iced tea, cocktails, and more. I just thought this print was just so adorable, and I'm telling you, this particular trip got me so excited for the change of seasons. I don't know, are you guys ready? I feel pretty ready to kind of get out of winter. In Dallas right now, we're probably experiencing what I think is like our last frost. All the rows are iced, but this print just really gets me excited, and I think it's a darling print that will carry through spring, summer for me, so I really like it. And then the little bumblebee print was super cute. For me, this is probably more, I mean, I think it's great for spring too. I was gonna say more summer, but I feel like maybe I prefer the bumblebees for spring. I don't know. Not that it matters, but this one is really cute too. This one was $9. It's a stainless steel, and it's a 20 fluid ounce. So $9, $12. And I found this beautiful little wooden decor piece. It was $5. That really impressed me right off the bat. They also had this in a beautiful pink color, but you can just kind of tell my color palette just from my room alone. This is basically what the rest of my house looks like. So I just think this will be so pretty. And I'm thinking I'm gonna do some type of floral greenery arrangement in the center. I think it would just look so beautiful and simple that way. I just don't know where I'm gonna style this. I actually think the size of this is actually really nice for like my guest bathroom off the entryway. So I'm thinking I might do this there or in my kitchen. I really don't know, but if there were 2 of these, I would have gotten another one, but they only had this one option. So I found that. This is pretty random, but I really liked the look of this soap dispenser. So pretty. And $3 for this. It says pure soap. I also saw this like in a pink tinted glass bottle. I really liked the clear. And it kind of gives me a little bit of like Victorian old world charm for some reason. It just has that like older element to it. I don't know why. That like farmhouse as well, so I really like it. And I'm gonna use this in either my guest bathroom or the other guest bathroom upstairs. And also the size of this is just really nice. I think they had other little pieces that kind of matched with this, but I just wanted the soap dispenser, so I got that. All right, next up, also some Easter goodie finds. These are absolutely epic in my opinion. Again, I don't shop at the store enough, but you tell me if you do, if you think I got a steal here. But these were $8, and I found the green bunny and the green bunny. So did I say green twice? The pink bunny and the green bunny. I do this weird thing where when I look at pink, my brain computes green for some reason. It is the oddest thing. I've done it so many times in videos, but $8 alone, like if I saw this at TJ Maxx, it would be in my cart. So, I mean, the fact that Dollar General is selling this looks so cute. Like, these are very well made. I wish you guys could hold these. Just gonna show you guys like some up close detail to them. They are so cute. And yeah, I don't normally play around with pink that often, only like for Valentine's Day, but I was not gonna let this pink little bunny sit there. I had to have it. So immediately I'm thinking, I don't know, there's so many good spots for this actually, but I did think the entryway table, so we'll see. All right, next up, I found some items that I thought were comparable to things that I normally shop for at Dollar Tree. So in this instance, I do feel, where's that one? Oh, here it is. I found some paper plates, napkins, and a cup, but it's all a very cute little matching set. To me, it's definitely giving me my little thing off my shirt. It's giving me summer vibes, but it's still so cute. Like, I found this lemon plate with the matching lemon napkins, $1. So I was gonna say 1-to-1 to Dollar Tree, but no, now it's cheaper. Now this is cheaper than Dollar Tree. I also found this set, which is my favorite. I love the mixed fruit. And then they had the bigger napkin option, and then they also had this little napkin option. And all of this, as you can see on the price, is $1. But they didn't stop there. They also gave us some really cute paper straws. This I would definitely use as decor, like style it in a tier tray. So this one was $1.50 though. So that's interesting. And then I also found the plastic cups that match as well. As you can see, the price on this was $2. But this little print is so cute. Like, if I saw it at Dollar Tree, I would have a heyday over it. I just think little prints like this are so sweet. Just to show you guys. Now, here's what surprised me the most about Dollar General. Was their birthday section. My mouth kind of dropped, to be honest. I was just like, wow. They had so much. Of course, some of the things were more expensive than Dollar Tree, but it still surprised me. And I did not get all the things that just kind of like shocked me. But I did pick up the little number candles. I thought these were really cute. They also have these in a silver option. And I don't remember what these cost. I think these were $1 each. So there's that. And I got 22 because my daughter's turning 22 this year. And I think when you turn 22, people reference the Taylor Swift song, the 22 song. But anyway, so I just got the tutu candle, and I also found this little banner as part of their little party section. Yeah, the price isn't on here either. I forget what I paid for this. I think it was a little bit over $1. It might have been like $2. But what I got it for was crafting. I thought that the clear banner with the confetti was just so freaking cute. And I thought, look at this. Like, you could definitely craft with this, ladies. Like, if that's like your jam, and if you do, your mind's probably already reeling. You probably already have some good ideas. But I think these are so cute. So I'm probably gonna deconstruct it and yeah, use it for like journaling or something like that. And then I found items like these, just like stationery finds. I found this little pencil pouch, which I thought was so beautiful. It wasn't quite $1 from what I remember. Yeah, the price isn't on here and I don't have my receipt. I think this could have been a $3 product, but I've never seen a pencil pouch quite as just charming as this one at Dollar Tree. I mean, look at the little tassel there. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty, you guys. Like, even if you just want this to maybe like do some clean out of your purse and then use this to like organize, you know, loose things that kind of like fly around, like pens and stuff, and then put this in your purse. Obviously great for pencil pouches, for your coloring, for all of your crafting things. And I also think as a makeup bag, this would just be really cute. And a travel bag, like this print, I love. I tried to find other things with this print at Dollar General. Here's what I found. I don't think it's like a direct match though. The colors are definitely off, so I don't know. But I did find these weekly planners. I found this one, and I think these were $1, by the way. And then I found this one. I love this layout. It's so pretty and unique. Not really. This one has an outline, as you can see on the edge, and this one doesn't. Very pretty. And then I also found some sticky notes, and now this matches this little set. I mean, straight away I could tell. So very cute. I don't know what the sticky notes set costs. I'll try to put up the prices anyway. I'll like find my receipt while I'm editing and throw it up so you guys know. But it's very cute. And they had a ton of other options to choose from as well. And then I got this little like notepad / calendar, which Dollar Tree does this all the time. As you can see, this is $1, so now it's cheaper than Dollar Tree. But I love these. I love like the little combination of the notepad and the calendar. It says just peachy, and then you also have this there. All right, next I picked up this box. This box unfortunately has to be a return because I realized that it's broken. But my store had several of these, so I'm just gonna go and exchange it. But look how huge this box is. To be fair, it's $10. And I kind of was like, but it was just so pretty. And I'm definitely gonna use this as storage. I just think it's really pretty, and yeah, I don't know, but it's kind of beat up a little bit. Like, I don't know if you can tell it's broken. And then it's broken right here. Right there, you can tell. But I really like it. Flourish, that's really pretty. I love that touch. And now my favorite find from Dollar General. And it was this little plate set. It definitely made me feel like I was at Dollar Tree, and it was $1, by the way. But I've never seen Dollar Tree do a print quite like this. And I'm telling you, if cherries are your thing, or you just love anything that kind of makes you feel like it's springtime or summer, run to get this little dinnerware set. But first, the print is so well done. I just can't believe it. I also want to show you guys the price. $1. They had the dinner plate, little side plate, the bowl, which look at the perfection of this print. I definitely compare this in my mind to Dollar Tree, because one of the things Dollar Tree does that sometimes will ruin a print for me is they'll either add a border color or the print won't reach the border very well. You know what I mean? It's almost like the way that they printed it on, it just like missed the edge completely and it just doesn't look as nice. Like this looks lovely. This looks expensive in my humble opinion. And then of course they also have the mug. And I want to point out that what's also unique about this mug is that they didn't do the exact same print on the mug. They gave us cherries to match, the same exact illustration, but they gave it to us in a different style, but still made it obviously match. Dollar Tree will take the exact same print, like if it's round like this, and they put it all around the product, they would have done the same thing around this cup. So I just appreciate all of these adorable details. But this by far takes the freaking cake for me. This is just too cute. And that's it for today's Dollar General haul. I definitely feel like this trip has been more successful than the ones in the past. And I know it's probably still too early for spring, so I definitely got to go back and see if they do like a bigger restock of their items. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. By the way, I normally don't post on Fridays, but I wanted to let you guys know I'll be posting tomorrow. So if you want to come back, I have another video for you guys. And that's it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.